Hey everyone, I'm out here in the garage today, and I thought what I'd cover in today's video is just a really quick topic, and that's screw heads. So stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, just want to welcome you here, and hopefully you'll consider subscribing if you like what you see. Also, check out DIY Apprentice on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I post lots of pictures and videos on those platforms before I post anything on YouTube. And occasionally I'll post things on those platforms I don't post on YouTube. Also, check out the website at DIYapprentice.com. So what I thought I'd cover today is just a really quick topic, and that's screw heads. And just kind of some of my preferences when I'm working with screw heads on home improvement projects. There are several different types of screw heads that I use on home improvement projects. So I'm going to start first of all with the most basic of screw heads, and that's the Phillips screw head. So Phillips screw head is normally used with a Phillips bit like this. This happens to be a number 2, so you can see there. That's a Phillips screw. A little closer look at it. And that is probably the least preferred screw that I use on projects, in part because I've had so many experiences of the screw head stripping when I'm working with these types of screws. So I have gravitated away from these. I do have some in my cabinet that I will reach for on occasion, but for the most part I do not use Phillips screws very much anymore. The next screw that I have is a square head screw. This is a Craig screw, and you would use it with this type of bit here. Now, I don't really use the square head screws very much, but I've seen more and more of these pop up in the stores. Then the third type of screw that I use on occasion is this one here. This one has a Phillips head, and it also has a square in the middle. So you can use a Phillips bit like that one. This is a number 2 Phillips. And you've also got this one here, the square one that'll fit in there too. So I use these on occasion. I don't use any of these nearly as much as I use this one. This is a Torx head or star head screw. See right here, that's a Torx bit. It's got many contact points on it, so the chances of this stripping are going to be a lot less likely than some of these other ones that I have here, because there are less contact points with the other ones. So just a quick video. Like I said, again, the Phillips bit is the one that I least prefer to use just because the contact points are so narrow. So hopefully this information was helpful, and thanks for watching. See links in the description below. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check us out on social media. And thanks for watching.